Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best garden hoses in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Forever Steel Hose E50 FT 304 Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Metal Garden Water Hose. Kink-free, flexible, expandable, lightweight, UV-resistant, stays cool in summers, never frozen in winter. Premium Steel Hose, Hour 50. As seen on TV, metal garden hose is constructed with a highly durable, UV-resistant, commercial-grade 304 stainless steel, providing resistance to rust, as well as punctures and leaks from lawnmowers, thorns, edged corners, or even pets. Advanced FLX Ridge Design. Forever Steel Hose's Flex Ridge design is engineered with user flexibility in mind, allowing you to work in any condition and maneuver around without worrying about kinking or tangling. Quickly connects and rolls up easily after every use. Handles any weather. Designed specifically for being left out for long periods of time, the Forever hose can sit in the sun all day and still stay cool to the touch or left in the snow and never freeze up. Number 2. Flexilla Garden Hose 5/8 inches, X 50 feet, heavy-duty, lightweight, drinking water safe, Zilla Green. HFZG 550 YUE. X3MELVFLEXIBLO. All-weather flexibility. X3MELOEDURGBLE. Abrasion-resistant outer cover and crush-resistant anodized aircraft aluminum fittings. High-Buride POL alignment ER, won't kink under pressure, coils easily, and lays flat with zero memory. Lightweight, lighter than traditional garden hoses, making Flexilla easier to carry and maneuver around the yard. Leak-free connections and drinking water safe. A durable O-ring provides long-lasting leak-free connections and feature an inner tube material that is drinking water safe. Spray nozzle not included. Color Zilla Green. Flexilla Garden Hose is engineered with a flexible hybrid polymer that is both lightweight and durable. This premium hose redefines flexibility and is easy to maneuver around your yard. Number 1. 2.0 Workhis Garden Flat Soaker Hose 1/2 and X 25 feet, more water leakage. Heavy-duty metal hose connector ends, perfect delivery of water, garden flower bed and vegetable patch landscaping, savings 80% water. More water leakage for time saving. The patented soaker hose water leaks at the rate of 2 gallons per 2 minutes at regular 60 psi, which outperforms most of the current recycled soaker hose on the market. The flat water hose is distributed out evenly along the whole hose, since it is made of PVC material instead of recycled rubber, which causes uneven amount of water permeates on the both ends of the hose. Flat in size for easy storage, the water leakage hose compact design only takes up 0.15 cubic feet. It saves the storage space and time sorting out the hose after work,